Hey there, fitness folks. Fitness Fox here, and today we're taking the plunge. We're diving into the basics of swimming, a fantastic full-body workout that's not just fun but incredibly effective for your fitness journey. Swimming engages every muscle group, making it a complete full-body workout. Plus, not only is it great for cardiovascular health, it's also a great stress relief. And the best part? You get to do it in the refreshing embrace of water. Let's kick things off with freestyle sprints. Power through the water, engaging your arms, legs, and core. It's not just about speed, it's about building that full body strength. Splash into shape with these swim workouts, now with breaststroke pullouts. Glide through the water, emphasizing the pull and kick motion. It's fantastic for targeting your chest, shoulders, and legs. Time to hit those abs. Flutter kicks on your back. They'll work wonders for your core. Keep those legs straight and flutter away. It's like a water dance for your midsection. You don't look like you're dancing, dude. Are you all right there? Loaded! Why are you in the water if you can't swim? Anyways, water aerobics are incredible. Tread water and perform a variety of exercises for a cardio boost that's easy on the joints. Remember this. You're not just toning muscles, you're giving your heart a fantastic workout. Swimming is a cardiovascular superstar that improves endurance and stamina. So, grab your swim gear, hit that like button, and let's make a splash together. Subscribe for more fitness adventures, and remember, the water's always fine on this side.